Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel, GTR Math Tutorial at Facebook na RJ Enseñado. So for today's video ay magdi-discuss tayo ng isang number tungkol sa harmonic progression. So galing ito sa 1001 Solved Problems in Engineering Mathematics, Day 5, number 231. So find the ninth term of the harmonic progression, 3, 2, 3 over 2, and so on. So hinahanap natin ay yung ninth term. Okay, so pause muna and then try nyo munang sagutan bago panoodin ang aking solution. Okay, so let's start. When we say harmonic progression, ayan, so harmonic progression, ibig sabihin yan, sequence yan na kung saan yung reciprocal. Ang reciprocal ay arithmetic, nagpo-form ng arithmetic progression yung reciprocal. Okay? So ayan, hinahanap natin ay ninth term ng harmonic progression. So 3 to 3 over 2. So ito yung harmonic progression. So harmonic, ang given natin ay 3, 2, 3 over 2, and so on. Hinahanap natin ay ninth term. So H sub 9 yung kailangan nating makuha. So from definition, ang harmonic progression daw ay sequence kung saan ang reciprocal ay nagpo-form ng arithmetic progression or sequence. So therefore, kunin natin ang reciprocal nito. So reciprocal ng 3, we have sa arithmetic natin, so a sub 1, reciprocal ng 3 ay 1/3. And then a sub 2 natin ay 2, reciprocal niyan ay 1/2. Then a sub 3 natin ay reciprocal na to, 3 over 2, that is 2/3. Pero hindi na naman natin kailangan itong 2/3 na ito. So kailangan lang natin isolve natin yung common difference. Okay? So kasi ang formula ng arithmetic sequence ay a sub 1 or a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So ang kailangan natin, ninth term, harmonic. So, isosolve muna natin sa arithmetic. So, ang kailangan natin ay ninth term, a sub 9 is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1. Ang n ay 9. So, diretso na natin magiging 8d. Meron na tayong a sub 1. Ang value ng a sub 1 ay 1/3. So, kailangan natin isolve itong common difference, yung d. To solve the common difference, isubtract lang natin a sub 2 minus a sub 1. Pwede rin naman a sub 3 minus a sub 2. So, isubtract lang yung previous. So, ang common difference natin ay 1/2, a sub 2 yan, minus a sub 1, 1/3. Okay? So, 1/2 minus 1/3, ang common difference natin ay i-butterfly lang natin ito or kapag change natin sa similar fraction, ang 1/2, pwede yung maging 3 over 6. And then, ang 1/3 naman, that is equal to 2 over 6. So, therefore, ang common difference natin ay 3 over 6 minus 2 over 6 ay equal sa 1/6. Or pwede natin i-butterfly, ayan. 1 times 3 is 3, and then 2 times 1 is 2, and then over 2 times 3. Okay, so yun, 1/6. So, therefore, ang common difference natin ay 1/6. So, i-substitute lang natin dito para ma-solve natin yung a sub 9 natin. So, a sub 9 is equal to a sub 1. So, that is 1/3 plus 8. The common difference is 1/6. Okay, so times 1/6 i-simplify lang natin. So, we have 1/3 plus 8 over 6. I-lowest term lang natin ito. 8 over 6. That is equal to divide both by 2. So, magiging 4 over 3. And then, ang ninth term ng arithmetic progression ay 1/3 plus 4/3 is equal to 5 over 3. Pero ito yung arithmetic progression, hindi pa ito yung final answer. Babalik tayo dito sa harmonic. So, ang harmonic sequence natin, h sub 9, ang value ng h sub 9 is reciprocal of 5 over 3, and that is equal to 3 over 5. So, the final answer is letter A, 3/5. Okay, so that's it. So I hope nagustuhan niyo yung explanation ko para sa problem na ito. So thank you for watching at kita-kita tayo sa mga susunod pang mga math review para sa engineering mathematics. So good luck sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.